Hello, my fellow Stargate nerds. Welcome to another Stargate video. Yeah, it's been some time since I did those, but now I have returned back to my roots. And today we will take a look at the Hatak class pyramid ship. Yeah, you may wonder why I already did Hatak. It was actually one of my first models. And yes, that's true, but it was actually one of my first models, and it shows. Basically, the attack which I did is not very detailed. It's not very big, and you can clearly see that it was done as one of the first models I've ever created in this manner. So I wanted to make a new version, Mark II, if you will, which would be bigger, which would look way more detailed and way more accurate to what we have seen in the show. So without further ado, let's go straight into Creo and take a look at what I have done. And here we are, and this is the Hatak I have prepared. So, first things first. In the show, there were several types of Hataks. The first that we can see is the Apophis Hatak, which he used to attack the Earth, and that one was way different, way more different than the Hataks which appeared later. Uh, for example, it didn't have this area. It was continuing golden pyramid with some relief kind of similar to what we have here. This type of attack appeared several times again. Most notably, it was made in high-res for Lucian Alliance in Stargate Universe in the very first episode, but it appeared only several times because then it was replaced by a newer version. And this newer version is basically this. The superstructure wasn't that round. Yeah, it looked like this, and also the top was different. So this is what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is how the top looked, and it didn't have the visible peltac, just like the original one I had. We can see it here as well. Yeah, so uh, those were the, oh, let's say, newer types. So what I have here is basically a hybrid. Yeah, the entire shape plus the bottom is from the new one, but the top is from the old one. So I have these reliefs which were on the old one, and I have the peltac. And one more thing, I decided that on this side I will also add the symbol of the owner of the attack, in this case the Almighty Ra. So yeah, it doesn't have any features. Yeah, it's just a static model. And yeah, well, one maybe feature I guess is that it comes with a three-sided pyramid, and it could land on it. Yeah. Okay. So this is basically, yeah, about the model. So now how you actually um, assemble it. So we will start with this piece. And into this piece, you will insert the pins 10 by 10 to all the holes, and just put all three pieces together like this. When you are done, from the bottom, you will insert this piece, which is in white, and go all the way in. That serves as an inside of the uh, pyramid landing area, I guess. Then here this top part, and this top part, basically here we have three pins or pegs, and this part has corresponding holes here, so it clicks everything together. Now here we have three holes, so we will insert these 3 pins, and then we will insert this bottom. Yeah, it consists of once again of 3 pieces with interlocking mechanism, so just put it together and slide it over. Yeah. Yeah, and now we can insert these plates. Yeah, they once again, yeah, here we have pegs and they have corresponding holes. There are also these small pieces, but you can also put them later. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so now we will insert these pieces. They have this hole, so they will be simply slided here on this peg, put into place. Yeah. And now we will attach them to sorry, first we will now once they are in place we will click in place these coverings on all 3 sides. Yeah. And now here to this hole we will attach this, yeah, like that. And here to this locking mechanism we will attach these, yeah, like this. And now we have all those holes for the pins, so we will simply put the pins there. So these are the 20 by 31 pins, and here to those fronts these 10 by 21 pins. Yeah. And now we will insert the middle pieces. Yeah, so 3 here and these here. And now we do the top, which is the same basically as the bottom. So first these 3 pieces, click together via those pins, then these 3 pieces, and now here we have these pegs, and we have a peg here as well. So here we will attach these pieces so that everything will hold together uh, pretty nicely. When it is done, then we will insert the covering here, so like this. And last thing, here on this peg we will attach the top, and the Hatak is done. And then of course the pyramid. The pyramid is one single piece, so you don't even have to print it. Yeah, I decided to do it just for the sake of yeah, being accurate to the show. Yeah. Well, and that's it. So yeah, this is the Hatak. And now we can actually take a look at the printed model. And here we are with the completed Hatak. And boy, it's a big, big ship. Yeah, that's my hand. Yeah, just for comparison. Comparison. Yeah, sorry, I'm kind of from the color. Yeah, the problem is that the color didn't dry out yet perfectly. That's also why the pyramid is separate, because I'm not sure if it's completely dried. So I'm a little bit anxious to actually put the Hatak on it, because I don't want it to be, dirty from the color. But yeah, this is the Hatak, and I have to say it came out perfectly. It's a quite sturdy ship. Yeah, even though it's quite heavy, you don't really feel like it would break anytime soon. Everything fits together nicely and holds really well. So yeah, the problem is that actually, other than rotating, I'm kind of limited because I'm here alone, and it's quite big. And showing you, well, I will try to show you the bottom. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, the bottom. Even though I don't really like it in this position, so I will get it back. Yeah. So yeah, I really like how it turned out. Yeah, I was thinking about doing this stuff black as well as the Ra symbol, but I don't really want to paint anything, so I decided to keep it that way. So here's some details. Yeah, I really like how everything uh, fits together and how all the details came out. Yes, so that's it. This is my new Hatak class pyramid ship with its own pyramid. And yeah, so I hope you liked it. And we will see each other in the next video. Have a very nice day and bye bye.